example for Kirchhoff's law. So we have three resistances such as 2 ohms, 1 ohm, and then 10 ohms. So we have 2 voltages also, we have 12 volts and 8 volts. We have the nodes at point this. So pansinin natin kung wala tayong nakikitang current, kung wala tayong nakikitang current. So what we're going to do is to just assume. Assume natin ito ay palabas yung ating current. Ito yung ating I1. Ito yung palabas din yung I3 natin. Itong I2 natin, sabihin natin ay papasok. So now you have, assume na, yung loop natin to ay loop 1, clockwise 1, loop 2. So, ito yung ating loop. Next, kung dahil nga meron tayong 3 current, so meron probably may mabubuo tayong tatlong equations. 2 loops for the, yung dalawa ay magagaling kay 2 loops magagaling kay KVL at yung isa naman ay for the nodes which is KCL. Kay KCL muna tayo. Si KCL natin at node A, kay A tayo, papansin natin, node A ha, we have this current which is I sub 2 is equal lang doon sa dalawang pinag-add ng ating lumabas na current which is I sub 1 plus I sub 3. This is now our equation 1. For our KVL naman, KVL, loop 1. So, pansinin yung ating loop. Ito muna itong unang box. So, kung pansinin natin yung ating current loop 1 natin, we have start tayo dito. Sensya na, para drawing ko. We have start tayo dito. Next, kung papansin habang lumalakbay yung ating current, we have, magkakantay ng source supplies with 12 volts. 12 volts, we have positive papuntang negative. So, meron tayong negative volts. Next, makikita siya sa resistor. Sa resistor ay meron tayong 2 ohms. So, 2 ohms galing kay current 1. So, di po ba papantanda natin for the ohms na we have voltage is equal to IR. So, ito yun. So, I, resistance and then the current. So, ano kaya unit nito? So, kung itong direction natin ay paganto, at yung ating namang papasok, at yung ating namang current ay palabas ito, yung arrow na to. So, therefore, ang side natin dahil nga they are opposite, ano sabi dahil nga ang directions natin ng ating flow is opposite, therefore, we have the positive 2 amperes I. And then, habang bumabagtas papunta kay loop, ay papunta kay ating nodes, then, maka-encounter natin si resistance 1. 1 resistance which is I2. Kay I2 na siya. So, I2, papansin niyo yung direction natin ay opposite. So, therefore, plus pa rin. Dahil nga, opposite. Next, meron tayong next, bago siya magsara, we have the voltage which is 8 volts. So, from negative to positive, kaya meron tayong positive 8. Then, papunta tayo dito, diretso 0. So, may equal to 0. So, this is our second equation. Ayusin na lang natin, compare natin, tanggalin muna natin yung ibang unit. So, meron tayong negative 12 plus 2i sub 1 plus 1i sub 2 plus 8 is equal to 0. Combine like terms, negative. So, we have positive 2i plus 1i2. 8 minus 12, we have negative 4 is equal to 0. Equate natin kay 0. So, we have 2i sub 1 plus I sub 2 is equal to positive 4. So, this is our equation number 2. This is our equation 1. Box ko lang para matandaan. Next, meron pa tayong second loop. For our second loop, KVL natin, second loop, loop 2. So, mula tayo dito ulit, clockwise. So, start tayo dito. So, start tayo dito, papunta doon, propasive, magkakaroon tayo negative 8. So, meron tayong negative 8 voltage. Then, pag babagtasin natin, meron tayong 1i2. 1 omega, 1 ohms current 2. So, kung papasin natin, direction natin pag ganito. Parehas lang direction dahil nga the same direction we have is negative. Next, black ba tayo? Punta rin tayo dito. Resistor. So, resistor natin is 10 ohms. 10 ohms 3. Wherein, papansin yung direction, palabas 10. So, meron tayong negative 10. Next, dire-diretso, sarado. So, meron tayong sila. Next, combine natin yung term. Tanggalin natin muna yung unit 8 minus I sub 2 minus 10I sub 3 is equal to 0. So, negative I1, 2 sub 2 minus 10I sub 3 is equal to positive 8. This is now the equation number 3. Equation number 3. Ngayon, pagsama-samahin natin, so yung ating unang equation which is current 2 is equal to current 1 plus current 3. Second one, we have 2I sub 1 plus 1I sub 2 plus equal to 4. And the third one, we have negative I sub 2 minus negative 10I is equal to 8. That is equation number 2. Kukunin natin certain values ng ating current. So, pinaka-mabilis itong current, itong equation number 1. So, yung value, may value tayo, current 2 is equal to, yung second current natin is equal to I sub 1 plus I sub 3. So, papalitan lang natin lahat ng I sub 2 natin, ng value ng I sub 1 and I sub 3. So, let's start. So, 2I sub 1 plus itong I sub 2 natin, ang value ng ating I sub 2, ito to. I sub 1 and I sub 1 plus I sub 3. So, I sub 1 plus I sub 3 is equal to 4. So, pagsamahin natin yung magkaparehas. So, 2I sub 1 plus I sub 1. We have 3I sub 1 plus I sub 3 is equal to 4. Now, this is the new equation number 2. Next, balikan natin yung equation number 3. So, negative I sub 2 natin, I sub 2 which is value I sub 1 plus I sub 3 minus 10 I sub 3 is equal to 8. Distributive, the negative I sub 1, negative I sub 3, negative 10 I sub 3 is equal to 8. Combine, magkapareha. So, negative I sub 1, negative 11 I sub 3 is equal to 8. This is now the new equation, equation 3. New siya, new equation. Next, paano natin kukunin yung, meron na, I sub 1, I sub 3, I sub 1, I sub 3. So, gamitin natin yung algebraic expression which is elimination method. Yung linear equation kung matatandaan nyo. So, given natin, we have 3I sub 1 plus I sub 3 is equal to 4. Isa naman ay negative I sub 1, negative 11, I sub 3 is equal to 8. So, eliminate natin. So, pwede natin eliminate yung I sub 1 by multiplying both sides by 3. So, kapihin lang natin to. We have negative 3I sub 1, negative 33 I sub 3 is equal to 8. Isa naman ay, kapahin ko na, 3I sub 1 plus 3I sub, 3I sub 1 plus I sub 3 is equal to 4. That is the new equation at 3. Kapahin ko lang ito. We have negative 3I sub 1, negative 33 I sub 3 is equal to, A times 3 pala, malito. A times 3, we have 24. Equal. Cancel. I sub 3 minus 33 I sub 3, we have negative 32 I sub 3. Is equal to 4 times 4 plus 4, we have 28. Derive both side by negative 32. So, cancel out na. I sub 3 is equal to negative 0.875 amperes. Negative 0.875 amperes. Okay, that is for our I sub 3. Next, for our I sub 2, what tayong bond paper? I sub 2 natin, I sub 3, nakuha natin yung I sub 3, which is negative 0.875 amperes. Substitute na lang natin itong value na to doon sa unang ginawa nating equation. Ito yung mga unang equation. Ito isa. Ito naman yung pangalawa. So, substitute natin siya dito. So, yun ang I2. Ang value ay I3. Ito. Sorry. Ito. Ang value nito. So, negative. Yung original form ng ating, yung original form ng ating equation, yung unang ginawa natin. Negative I sub 2 minus 10 I sub 3 is equal to 8. So yung ating I sub 3 natin, negative I sub 2 is equal to, minus 10. Bali ng A sub 3 natin ay negative 0.875 is equal to 8. Para sa calculator, I sub 2, negative 10 times negative 0.875, we come up into positive, kasi negative times negative, positive 8.75 is equal to 8. So, we have I sub 2, negative I sub 2 is equal to 8. Transpose natin sa kabilang side, magiging negative 8.75. I sub 2, negative I sub 2 is equal to 8 minus 8.75. We have negative 0.75 amperes. Divide both sides by negative. So, magkakaroon tayong I sub 2 natin ay 0.75 amperes. That is the value for our I sub 2. Okay, next we have here, ang I sub 1 na lang ang hinahanap natin. Sorry, I sub 1. I sub 1, para makuha natin yung I sub 1. Wala, I sub 1 na lang. Kasi meron tayong I sub 3, which is ito yung I sub 3 natin. Ito. Ito yung I sub 2. Yung I sub 1 na lang. So, para tigpo yung I sub 1 using this second equation. Ito, totoo yun dito. 2I sub 1 plus. Papayin ko na lang. So, 2I sub 1 plus 1I sub 2 is equal to 4. 2I sub 1 plus I sub 2 natin, ang value natin ng I sub 2 ay 0.75 is equal to 4. 2I sub 1 is equal to 4. Transpose natin to, minus 0.75. 2I sub 1 is equal to 4 minus 0.75, we have 3.25. Divide both sides by 2. So, I is equal to 3.25 divided by 2, 1.625. Ayan. So, papansinin natin, summarize natin yung ating I sub 1, which is positive 6.25A. Yung ating I sub 2, which is 0.75A. Yung ating I sub 3 is negative 0.875. So, balikan natin yung figure natin kanina. So, sabi natin yung directions. Kung papasin natin direction, we have is, kapag positive, ibig sabihin, tama yung direction natin. Pero kapag negative, ibig sabihin, taliwas tayo dun sa actual result. So, kung dito nga ay positive, ibig sabihin, yung actual direction natin ng current is tama. Pangalawa naman, dahil ito ay positive ng 0.75, tama ito. Papasok yung ating direction. But, yung ating I sub 3 is 0.875 negative. Ibig sabihin yung direction natin dito na papasok ay hindi pala. So, ito ay palabas. Kung ito ay palabas, papasok pa lang ating I sub 3. Okay, that's it for this day.